Zipline is introducing a revolutionary approach to local and last-mile deliveries with a focus on speed, precision, and ease of integration. Its fully electric aircraft, known as Zips, offer a seamless solution for getting products to customers faster than ever, all while keeping you fully in control of the entire delivery experience. One of the standout features of Zipline's technology is its near-silent operation. The Zips are designed to hover hundreds of feet in the air when reaching their destination. From there, a specialized delivery droid descends from the Zip, gently and quietly placing the package exactly where it needs to go, whether that's a doorstep, patio table, or another designated spot. This process ensures a smooth and non-intrusive experience, making it ideal for residential and commercial deliveries alike. Their lightweight design and efficient flight paths make Zipline not only a faster alternative, but also a greener solution to traditional delivery methods. Once the Zip arrives at its destination, it hovers quietly hundreds of feet above the ground. With the introduction of Platform 2 and its advanced autonomous delivery system, Zipline is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in logistics. The Fisto Kucha is designed for modern lifestyles that blend work, play, and comfort. It allows you to customize its layout to suit your space and lifestyle, whether you're setting up for a work-from-home session, hosting friends, or simply winding down with your favorite series. Kucha's Chili Fan is perfect for those moments when you need a cool breeze without leaving your spot. And if you're looking to unwind, ambient LED lighting sets the perfect mood for relaxation, reading, or working. It is built with today's tech-savvy user in mind. Wireless charging keeps your devices powered up without cords, while NFC technology makes connectivity seamless, enabling you to sync with other devices or activate specific Kucha features with a simple tap. Kucha includes an integrated Bluetooth speaker, bringing clear, immersive sound to your couch-side experience. It also has a built-in mini office setup for those times when you want to work from your bed or couch. The modular design means you can store everything from snacks and cables to a tablet and notebooks, keeping your essentials organized for when inspiration strikes. Fisto Kucha isn't just furniture, it's a lifestyle upgrade that reimagines what comfort can look like in a tech-driven world. Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 brings a new level of autonomy, adaptability, and human interaction to robotics. Walking more confidently than before, Optimus can now tackle different terrains, moving from smooth surfaces to irregular ones with stability. Optimus explores unseen environments autonomously, skillfully avoiding people and obstacles through real-time visual cues processed on its embedded computer. Optimus has also become self-sufficient in power management, locating and docking itself at a charging station with only its rear camera. After recharging, it's back to work without human intervention, enabling seamless, round-the-clock operation. One of Optimus's standout features is its ability to handle substantial payloads, like carrying an 11 kilograms battery tray, without overheating, making it an invaluable asset in logistics, manufacturing, and retail, where it can ease repetitive and strenuous tasks. Optimus has also become smarter at interacting with humans. Trained to recognize and respond to unsafe behaviors, it can engage with people responsibly and even fulfill requests such as handing out tools or items. All these advanced skills, navigation, obstacle avoidance, payload handling, and human interaction, are powered by a single neural network running in real time, enabling continuous learning and adaptation. The Sycor 2.0 redefines the concept of everyday carry tools, offering a sleek, pocket-sized solution. Crafted from high-grade titanium, this multi-tool is designed for ultimate resilience and built to handle any task. Weighing only 15.9 grams and smaller than a typical key, it slips effortlessly into your pocket or onto your keychain, ensuring you're prepared for almost any situation without the bulk of traditional tools. This powerhouse tool packs a versatile set of functions, making it indispensable. Sycor 2.0 includes a fire starter for emergency situations or outdoor adventures, a screwdriver for quick repairs, a pry bar for leverage tasks, and a hex wrench for fast fixes. For cutting needs, there's a pocket saw and a micro knife, both of which perform excellently for their size. It also features a bottle opener for convenience and a spoke wrench for cyclists and adventurers alike. Its streamlined design means it can double as a wearable accessory, adding a rugged yet sophisticated look if worn as a pendant. With its magnetic fastener, you can take it off and use it anytime, anywhere without canceling the keychain. The NightEase Smart Bedside Cabinet brings the future to your fingertips, transforming your bedside routine into an all-in-one experience of convenience and style. The cabinet's rapid wireless charging allows you to power up your devices effortlessly, ensuring your phone, tablet, or smartwatch is ready when you are without the hassle of tangled cords. With smart connectivity, NightEase syncs with other devices in your home and can be managed with a single touch, making it possible to control lights, notifications, and more right from your bed. With customizable lighting settings, NightEase lets you tailor the ambiance to match your mood, whether you're winding down with a warm glow or waking up with gentle daylight mimicking hues. For enhanced privacy, NightEase also features biometric fingerprint access, ensuring that personal items remain secure while easily accessible to you. This makes it perfect for keeping valuables or medications safely within reach, but away from prying hands. Not just functional, the NightEase cabinet is designed to seamlessly fit any decor style, blending modern aesthetics with versatile features that make it ideal for hosting, whether you're holding a drink, charging devices, or storing essentials. The Red Shark bike series takes cycling beyond land, transforming water into a new playground for fitness, exploration, and fun. Built as a sleek, pedal-powered trimaran, this water bike lets you ride on rivers, lakes, and even the open sea, offering a unique blend of adventure and sport. The Red Shark trimaran's stability and streamlined design allow users to glide through the water, whether you're out for a workout or a leisurely ride. The Red Shark is tailored for athletes, especially cyclists, who are looking to enhance their training in a new environment, bringing an edge to personal fitness and allowing riders to challenge themselves while surrounded by water. For those with a passion for travel and discovery, it opens up access to previously unreachable places, giving you the thrill of expeditions with the ability to traverse long distances and explore hidden natural wonders. And for casual riders, the Red Shark bike combines the joy of being on the water with the ease of pedaling, making it accessible and enjoyable for riders of all ages and fitness levels. The Oppo Air Glass 3 is setting new standards in extended reality (XR) technology, with seamless integration of generative AI capabilities via Oppo's Andes GPT model, accessible through a connected smartphone app. This feature transforms the Air Glass 3 into more than just a pair of smart glasses. It becomes an intelligent assistant ready to provide information, perform tasks, and interact naturally with the user in real time. With intuitive touch interaction, users can control a wide range of functions, such as music playback, making voice calls, viewing dynamic information, and even browsing color images. One standout innovation is the reverse sound field technology, which directs audio directly toward the user, minimizing sound leakage and enhancing privacy. This feature is paired with an open acoustic design and 4 built-in microphones that work together to isolate noise and deliver crisp, high-quality sound. For both personal and professional use, Oppo Air Glass 3 redefines wearable tech with its powerful AI integration, rich media functions, and forward-thinking design that bridges augmented reality with practical, everyday usability. These are the top 7 futuristic gadgets of 2024 that are pushing the boundaries of innovation. These devices offer a glimpse into the future. So, which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech updates.